This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 14 Ultimate Team. Unfortunately, the official online servers for FIFA 14 Ultimate Team were permanently deactivated in October 2017. This means that the full online experience, including the bustling transfer market, competitive online seasons, and opening new packs, is no longer available to players across any platform. It's a significant change for fans of the classic game mode. The server shutdown has a profound impact on how you can experience Ultimate Team. Without the official servers, you cannot connect to EA's network to access any of the online features that define the mode. This means you cannot create a new Ultimate Team, manage your existing squad, or participate in any online competitions. The dynamic player market, where millions of coins once exchanged hands, is also completely inactive. While Ultimate Team's online component is gone, the good news is that the core FIFA 14 game still offers a rich offline experience. You can dive into classic kickoff matches, embark on a long-term journey in career mode as a player or manager, or compete in various tournament modes. The game features 33 leagues and over 600 clubs, providing hundreds of hours of football action without needing an internet connection. Given the server shutdown, the only way to play FIFA 14 today is by enjoying its extensive offline content. You can still experience the award-winning gameplay, including pure shot and precision movement, in single-player matches. While the original Ultimate Team is no longer accessible, some dedicated communities offer unofficial squad updates for offline play. However, there are no widely available private servers that replicate the full online Ultimate Team experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.